This also is a prism. This is a triangular prism, right? How do you name the prism? On the basis of the base of it. If the base of a prism is a cube, is a square, then it's a perfect cube. If the same height is also taken, and the base is a rectangle, then you can call it as a cuboid, or maybe a square prism or a rectangular prism. Square or rectangular prism, right? This is a cube, perfect cube. This is a triangular prism. Why? Because the base is a triangle, right? Now, why I do use these dotted lines or the broken lines? Because those sides or the edges which are not visible to us from the side we are viewing, those which are not visible to us, we need to draw all those in dotted lines or the broken lines. So this is a triangular prism, right? Similarly, we can also draw, or we can get, can you name this? Anyone? Any one of you, online, offline, anyone can name this? This also is a prism. What sort of prism it is? Hexagonal prism. Brilliant. Right? This is a hexagonal prism. Why